Arhan. Today we are doing a pool with dinosaurs.
Sink or float with dinos?
Sink or float with dinosaurs. Acrocanthosaurus. It's sink.
Okay. Yeah, take another one.
I'll keep this. A Tyrannosaurus Rex. It breaks apart. His head caught on not. We need this.
Does it sink or float?
I think it sinks. It floats. I think this is the Indoraptor. Maybe it sinks. Oh, he floats. I got it wrong. Maybe this big dinosaur will float. Oh, he floats. I need it. Oh, he sinked on the border. So he stinked. Oh, how about this T-Rex? Just stuck. Tyrannosaurus Rex. We'll put him in water. Oh, he floats. Oh, a Baryonyx. Oh. He floated at me. Oh, only two mammals. Only two mammals are carnivores. Well, watch out. Oh, he floats. Oh, a T-Rex. Oh, he sinks. Oh, a T-Rex. He floats. A Dinosaurus? What is he doing here? Oh, it's his.
Does he sink?
Yeah, he sinks.
Oh.
This velociraptor sinked. Oh, a brachiosaurus. Open in water. Oh, the baby dinosaur sink. How about this? I think it floats. Oh, he sinked. How about the Metrodon? He floats. Two T-Rexes. We have one.
Does he float?
Yeah.
Oh.
And two. He floats. He floats. Oh, two there. Oh, he stinks. Other one.
Does he sink?
Yeah. Both stinked.
Okay.
A Triceratops. Oh, he stinks. How about Tyrannosaurus Rex? He floats. How about this Dimetrodon? Oh, he floats. Allosaurus is better. Oh.
Does he float too?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's massive dino. We'll put him in the water. Oh, he sinked. Oh no, that was crazy. Oh, I've lost Dinosaurus. What is he doing here? Oh, he sinked. How about Stegosaurus? Oh, Diplodocus? What is he doing here? Oh, he sinks. How about this? Oh,
What's that?
That was a pachycephalosaurus. A Stegosaurus. He splashed. I'm on the cornius. I think there's no more chance to put him.
Does he sink or float?
He sinks. Iguanodon. He sinks better. Velociraptor. Oh, he sinks too. What about this? Oh, now he's wet. It's a collection-05. I think we'll put him. He sinks. Whoa, the Vargas. We have so many baby dinosaurs to throw out. So, I got so many dinosaurs to collect. We'll put them.
Oh.
Wow! Whoa, sinks!
Okay.
Oh. Bye friends, thank you for watching. Don't forget the video and subscribe.